Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I am just doing my eye makeup for work. I'm not doing anything else. And I decided I'm going to use this Desert Dream palette again from LA Girl, V.I.P Desert Dream. Just kind of going neutrally because it's work. Yeah, that's it. So don't forget, I do have a giveaway going that's going to last until I think I said the 15th, so you still got plenty of time to enter. I'm going to have it up here in the description box below. My husband's 40th birthday is tomorrow, so you should wish him happy birthday in the comments. So we'll see if he sees that. Anyways, okay. This is a heavy palette. Heavy. So, okay, this is really funny. So it does have the names on the back of the palette, not the front. But I was just going to say I'm going to go into this color right here, and I looked at the name. It's basic. Hilarious. Yes, so. Yes, no more. Oh, I don't even have eye primer on. Damn. Okay. Okay, so this was the $13 one that I bought at Ulta last time. I did get a tiny one. I don't know where it is. I must have threw it in this little box I have here next to me with full of makeup. I must have thrown it in there, but I got a little duo of a smaller one from Ipsy and an eyeshadow for $5. The smaller one, like, has almost nothing in it. Like, this one was $13, and this is like a mini, I guess. But like, I'm almost offended at the Ipsy one. Like, I don't understand. There's like, it's like almost gone, and I've only used it a few times. And I barely use any product when I'm, yeah, it's strange. Anyways, okay. Now I have eye primer on. Okay, and this is a Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. I'm just going to take this color and put it all over. And I see some people say, you know, you should put some sort of powder over your eye primer, and other people say don't. But the people that say you should, I finally realized, okay, it can make it easier for blending. Okay, so now we got that, and I'm just gonna like go into this one, I guess. Should I use the same brush now? I'll like go to a slightly smaller brush. This is a ColourPop E22 brush. So I'm going to go into that color, and that's named Feels. Feels. Ooh, very pigmented. I'm just using the mirror and the actual palette. So my days off went super quickly. Oh my god. Really went quickly. I mentioned it, I think, in the comments on my previous video, but I cleaned a lot in our dining room, which really needed it. Like, you know what people say, they have the quarantine 15 for weight? Our house is like the quarantine 50. Put it that way. Little doggy's next to me again. He really likes the cool floor in here, I think. It's so funny how my eyelids look bigger on the screen. Yeah, so after I do this video, I'm going to record another one of just a simple unboxing. I got a few things in the mail. One thing I was super excited for, and I should have used it. Dang. Missed opportunity. Next time. I think next time I'm just going to take this little tiny brush. This is a Pro Paris Tools G214, just a little pencil brush. I'm going to take this color in the corner here, and that is Guest List. Guest List. That one I'm just gonna place along my eyebrows here. I don't know, I like putting a little sparkle there. Okay. And then, gosh, I think that's about it. I might use this one in the corner here. What is that? That is Extra. What is the name of it? Let's try, yeah, I'm just gonna take that on my finger and swipe that across my lid. See what this looks like. Oh, that is Extra. Wow. I didn't expect that to be so bright. Okay, cool. Wow, and that's without any primer, glitter glue or anything. Not primer, yeah, glitter glue. Eyelids are being annoying, but that is okay. Cute. Simple. I don't know, maybe I should take a little bit of this color, put it in the outer V. What is that? Take a pick. Take a pick. I don't know, let's see. Let's see if this does anything. It might not. And if it doesn't, that's okay. This is a $1 billion brushes. It's actually a highlighter brush, but you know what? You can use whatever brush you want. I don't think it matters. So I did talk about it with my husband a little bit. I actually want to talk to a doctor about getting the surgery for my eyelids. If I'm lucky, and other people have said this too, I might even be able to get my insurance to cover it. So hopefully we can do a thing like a free consultation. But yeah, it's something I definitely want to get. I have seen other people say they've got it well into their 70s. I'm only 39. But I am definitely concerned about those falling even more because they do rest on top of my eyelashes. Okay, so I really do enjoy this NYX Professional Makeup Lift and I can't say the word brow tint pen. This is in the color Blonde. This is, I think, my favorite one because I do have blonde hair, of course. Yeah, like my eyebrows are lighter. I mean, excuse me, my eyebrows are darker. But still, I do have blonde hair. Naturally blonde hair, annoying blonde hair. We all want what we don't have, right? I wish I had black hair. Black curly hair. Instead I had blonde straight hair. And actually what I did was I shaved off the tail, but like just a little bit, tail of my eyebrows, and it just looks so much better. Because like when you have hooded eyes, you can see how much they droop on the corners. You don't want those eyebrows to drag them down. Good as I'm going to get on my eyebrows. I'm going to work, it's fine. And the other thing I need to also get another one is this e.l.f. Wow Brow. This is in the color Taupe. I just really enjoy this, I don't know what you call it. Wow Brow. I think it just helps your eyebrows stay in place. Yeah, so I need to get 2 of those because that way I can keep 2 of them in my work stuff and then I can keep 2 of them here. I don't have to keep grabbing in there because when I grab in there, it's like I just want to take everything out and, like I said in previous video, use the same stuff. So we don't want that. Okay, curl the eyelashes. even though probably they won't do much. But anyways, I'm going to use the It's So Big again. Same as I used the other day. Yesterday. It's so liquidy. Oh my god. I'm not doing any eyeliner or anything. Okay, I'm just going to do a little bit of an inner corner highlight. Trying to see what I can use in any other palettes here. Okay, so this is from my Bitter Lace Beauty. I'm going to use this guy right here. Seriously, this stuff is the bomb. Look at that. Blinding. Okay, so that's completed look. Again, not doing my face because I have to wear a mask and we don't need any more pimples on this face, honey. So that was using the LA Girl V.I.P Desert Dream palette. Basic, I think it was $15 for 16 colors, and that's really good, and this is a good brand, so good drugstore brand. Very nice. And again, there is the color story. Okie dokie. Well, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget about my giveaway. Don't forget to wish my husband a happy birthday. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.